Guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Callisto Protocol not launching or crashing on PC, whether you're playing on Steam or the Epic Game Store. Let's get right into the solutions. Solution 1. Epic Game Store first. Open the Epic Games launcher. Go to your library. Locate the Callisto Protocol. Click on the three dots next to the game. Select Manage. Click on Verify and wait for the game files to be repaired. If you're using Steam, open Steam. Go to your library, locate the Callisto Protocol. Right-click the game and select Properties. Click on Installed Files. Select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for Steam to repair the game. Solution 2. Click the three dots next to the Callisto Protocol. Select Manage. Under Installation, click the folder icon. Open the Callisto Protocol folder. Open Binaries, then Win64. Right-click the Callisto Protocol.exe and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Enable Run this program as administrator. Enable Disable Full-Screen Optimizations. Click Apply, then OK. Now launch the game. If you're on Steam, right-click the Callisto Protocol. Select Manage, then Browse Local Files. Open the Callisto Protocol folder. Open Binaries, then Win64. Right-click the Callisto Protocol.exe and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Enable Run this program as administrator. Enable Disable Full-Screen Optimizations. Click Apply, then OK. Launch the game again. Solution 3. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your GPU and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Wait for Windows to install the latest driver. Solution 4. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, open the Start menu. Type NVIDIA app and open it. Go to the Drivers tab. Click Check for Updates. Download and install any available driver updates. Solution 5. Open the link provided in the video description. Scroll down and locate x86. Click VC Redist x86 to download it. Then click VC Redist x64 to download it. Locate the downloaded files. Double-click VC Redist x64. Accept the terms and click Yes. Wait for the installation to finish. Then click Close. Do not restart yet. Now double-click VC Redist x86. Accept the terms and click Yes. Wait for it to install. Once finished, restart your PC. And that's it. After following these steps, the Callisto Protocol should launch and run properly on PC without crashing. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.